Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, please guys, help me get to 500 subscribers this month. If you're watching my video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my delicious pasta. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare this delicious pasta. If you want to know how I made this pasta, then keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, and to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love. All right guys, let's start cooking. So to make this pasta, you will be needing the pasta. I have here my onions, my pepper, this Scotch bonnet pepper, my red bell pepper and my green bell pepper. I have my beef already cooked. I'm going to fry it. I have my tomato puree and my stock. This is my meat stock. So guys, let's proceed to frying our meat now. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment and share. Okay, do not forget to subscribe. Help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month. All right guys, so I'm adding in my oil in the pan. This is to fry my meat. I'll allow this oil to heat up. So frying our meat now. Going to let it fry. So guys, our meat are fried now. It's time for us to bring it out. Just going to bring out this. I'm going to reduce this oil now. Oil is gone. So guys, I've reduced the oil. I'll start by adding in my onion. I'm going to my sweet bell pepper now. I'll add in my Scotch bonnet pepper. Going to stir this. I'll just add a little salt because I already added salt in my beef when I was cooking my beef. I'll go with my ginger and garlic paste. So guys, I'll go with my adding my curry powder.